It's a rust stain, Mom. It won't come out. I've tried 3 different cleaners. But the stain doesn't come out from the dress.
Then try more, and don't use the tone with me. Your father will be home in an hour, and I won't have him walking into a tip.
God, Mom, she's so slow. My dress for the party tonight is still in the wash.
It's not in the wash, Bella. I spent 2 hours hand washing the lace. Because you spilled red wine on it. It's drying now.
Well, hurry it up. I need to look decent, unlike some people who look like they made no effort.
Leave her, Bella. Some people are born to wear silk, and others are born to scrub it. Ella, after you finish the floor, please do the ironing in the service room. Start dinner only once the shirts are done.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, my love. Are you still cleaning the house? Stop doing it, love. You'll ruin your health.
Oh, David, darling. She insisted. I told her to take a break. She's a bit set in her ways with the chores, isn't she? You know how it is. She always needs something to do.
Is that right, Ella? You look exhausted.
I'm fine, Dad. Just finishing up.
I bought some nice steaks for tea. I'll give you a hand in the kitchen, shall I?
Nonsense, David. You've worked a 12-hour shift. Go and put your feet up. Ella will handle the steaks. She knows exactly how you like them. Don't you, Ella?
Yes. Medium rare. I'll do it now.
Hello. Sorry to bother you. My map isn't working, and I'm a bit lost. How do I get to the Manor Park from here?
Oh. Well, hello. You must be one of the guests for the Blackwood Gala.
I'm Callum Blackwood, actually. My parents are hosting the Blackwoods.
You must be one of the guests for the Blackwood Gala. Oh, I'm Bella. I was just about to get ready for your party, right?
Nice to meet you. Are you all right, my love? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Oh, no. I'm just the tea. I was just bringing the tea.
You've got a bit of dot weight.
She's just the help, really. Ella, go back to the kitchen. You're embarrassing us.
I don't think I've seen you in the village before. Do you like parties?
I wouldn't know. I've never been invited to one.
Well, that's a tragedy. I'm the host, so I'm officially inviting you tonight, 8 o'clock.
She can't go. She hasn't got a dress. She's got chores. I think she can manage.
My driver can come back for you. Is it okay, Ella?
Yes.
Okay, Ella. See you at 8 then. Don't worry about the dress. Just bring yourself.
You are not going to that house. Do you hear me?
Yes, she's going, Joan.
David!
She's going, and she's wearing that blue silk dress we bought for her mother's funeral that she never got to wear.
Dad.
This is so unfair.
Learning English can be hard sometimes, but here we learn together, so please subscribe and leave a comment to tell me what you need. If you subscribe and comment, you help this channel grow, and you also help me make better English lessons for you. Thank you.